Do is I'm going to go over this portable air compressor from the company DWW. Check out the yellow that this came in. That's awesome looking. So just going over the box here, it's good for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, ball, wheelchair, lawnmowers, golf carts, basically anything with a tire. How about that? And this one goes from, I think it goes all the way up to 160 PSI. You know what, enough talking, let's just take it out. So right here you get a little bag that you'll put it in, kind of like a little felt style bag. There's the actual pull inflation ring, a couple of those, a Presto valve and a basketball needle, a USB-C cable, and there's the cord. Oh, I like that they put it up to, that's probably well over 2 feet. So a 2-foot cord. It's always good when they put like a longer cord in there. Little user manual right here. We don't really need any of that, but let me show you what all you get. Peel this off. Put that in there. Wow, this thing looks very premium. Nice look to it. So to use this, you're just going to screw this into this. So you get a USB-C input right there, and there's your charge cable for that. To turn this thing on, hit the power button right there. It goes through 3. Now, if it's flashing in the camera, it's not flashing in real life. It just looks that way because of the shutter speed of the camera. So this one, it's already in PSI. To change it, you're going to go to the U right here. Now it's bar, KPA, and then KGF, CM. So we'll go back to PSI. There's 8 PSI on basketball. And hit this one. Now it's the custom. So that's custom all the way up to 100. It's already at 100. There's car, 35.5. Bike, which is motorcycle, bicycle, 38. So we'll put it on car, 35.5. We'll go up to 36. To turn the light on, there's a little button right here that's got a little flashlight. There's an LED light on there. It's got a flashing. You got 3 modes. One right there. I don't know how well you can see it. That'd be great for finding like a stem on a car. Then if I was going to let it inflate, put it on that little emergency flashing mode and then set it down and let it do its job. So, and I've got a full charge on this. Let me take it over to my van. I've took some air out of it, and let's see if we can air it back up to 37 PSI, see how well this thing works, because I mean, so far it looks really good. Okay, let's put this DWW one to the test. So check out that long cord on here. So the first thing we're going to do is turn it on. So we are on, we are at 36 PSI. Looks like we're at 32.5 PSI. Let's go ahead and see. 33. So we'll let this go till it gets to 36 and see if it does the auto shut off. Okay, it just hit 35. Let's see if it does 35.5. We just hit 35.5. Now I've got it set for 36 on this tire right here. These can go up to, I think, well, that was quick. 36 on the dot right there, everybody. That worked out perfect on that. This is something I would recommend for anyone that just needs a small little portable air compressor that's affordable, that kind of like does it all, whether it's basketballs, you know, footballs or anything like that, or pool rings. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the DWW, you know, portable air compressor. See you on the next video.